बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। हेलो, हाय, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। This is Decor Art signing in. And I am going to share with you most beautiful and super stunning and very pretty planter pot decoration ideas. These are very beautiful and very unique. These are very stunning and very amazing and very outstanding and very classy planter pot centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. If you want different other craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very stunning and very beautiful and very classy and very amazing button art and craft ideas for you guys. These are very stunning and very beautiful and very outstanding planter pot decoration ideas for you guys. These are very beautiful. These are very stunning and very classy and most beautiful planter pot decoration ideas for you guys. And you also watch different other kind of videos on my channel about different craft work. So if you want different other kind of videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. These are super amazing, these are super unique and very classy ideas for you guys. So if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. These are top trending, top unique and most demanding ideas for you guys. If you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of planter pot decoration ideas at your homes. So keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are super amazing, super unique and very unique ideas for you guys. Always take care guys, always be happy, and these are super amazing and most beautiful planter pot decoration ideas for you guys. So take care and follow for more details. Bye bye, take care, Allah Hafiz guys.